Hello, I'm going to show you how to replace a dirt bike foot peg, and I was having problems before with the spring putting in the new peg. I'm going to show you a little trick that I figured out. What you need to do is set the spring in the peg, and I cut the head off the bolt, and actually grinded it down right here to get a smoother exit. And I'll drop it in with the spring, put it in there like that, with the bevel side that I grinded facing down, because I'm going to pound the new pin from the top. And I'll pull this old one out and put the new one in. So you want to remove this cotter pin right here. You'll need some needle nose pliers and bend the back side of the cotter pin, and then pull it out. Make sure you don't lose this washer that's going to have to go back in. Now you can push the pin up. Simply push the pin up and wiggle the pin with the spring. Push against the bike, put the new pin in, and simply pound it in, and it'll push the old pin out. See, this thing fell out the backside. So this fell out the bottom as I hammered the new pin in. Now simply put your washer back on and your cotter pin through, and you're done. Remember to cut a bolt the same length as the foot peg. Drop it in with the spring. The diameter of the bolt should be the same as the pin. Bevel one side for easy exit. Push the peg against the bike with the spring, set the pin in the top, hammer the new pin in, and this one pops out the bottom as the new pin goes in.